Hey guys, my name is Dun Kelechi Ifeanyi, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 things you did or did not know your Android phone could do. Let's get to the video. I trust a lot of us have been in a position where we have tons of notifications on our screen and we just want to get rid of that clutter, and then we just swipe to get rid of everything. And then you see a notification you actually do want to see and you swiped it away, you've already missed it, and you don't even know which notification that is. There's actually a way to fix that. Okay, you can see all your recent notifications if you like. Actually, just tap and hold on an empty part of your home screen. Select the Choose Widget option, then look for Settings. Drag the icon to a space on your home screen and you'll see a list pop up. Select Notification Log and then tap the icon. You will now be able to scroll through all of your device notifications throughout that day and maybe more. The next one I'm going to show you is screen pinning. I'm sure a lot of us have been in a position where we give our friend or family member our phones to look at maybe a picture or something, and they end up going through some messages or some sensitive information you do not want them to go through. There's actually a way to fix that. Now with screen pinning, you will lock that particular app to a particular position and not allow such user go to another application without your password. Now how would you get this done? You go to Settings and Security, then turn on screen pinning. When turned on, open the app that your friend or loved one needs to use. Open Overview with the square button below the phone screen. You will see an icon that looks like a pin in the lower right corner. Tap it and it will remain pinned to the front. Now that's all anyone can use until you enter your password. Number 3, priority mode. This is commonly known as Do Not Disturb mode. I particularly use this a lot. Now what does this do on your phone? It mutes all notifications coming into your phone except those coming from people you set as your priority contacts. Now how do you set this priority contacts? Go to your contacts app and select the contact, and then you see a star at the top left corner, top right corner rather of your screen. Touch that star button and automatically you set that contact to priority. Now when you put your phone on priority mode, every other notifications except from those who you want to accept are not going to come in, and you're going to have that peace of mind you actually desire. Number 4, switching from app to app. Now let's say you have 2 apps open, and maybe your WhatsApp and your email, maybe you're copying something from one app to the other and you just want to switch between 2 apps instantly. There's a faster way to do this. Just tap your recent option and it automatically switches to the most recent app that you opened not very long ago. Number 5, smart lock. Now keeping your phone secure is a very important thing. I would always recommend you have a password on your phone, and if possible have password on specific applications you know you do not want people tinkering around with. Now it can be very discomforting having to unlock your phone every now and then, especially if you are not using a fingerprint enabled device or a device that uses biometrics, which is usually faster and easier to unlock. Now if you have a device that does not have any biometric option, you can simply set up Smart Lock. Smart Lock temporarily takes away the requirement to use a keypad lock when in a trusted area like your house. You can opt to use your face, wireless networks, GPS locations, and more to prevent your phone from locking. This way, you don't have to enter a password each time. Go to Settings, then Security, then Smart Lock to get it set up and bask in the light of simple phone usage when in trusted zones. That will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Go down to the comment section, tell me what you think about it. Feel free to also share what you know that I probably did not know or probably did not mention. And please subscribe with notifications so you can know when the next video comes up. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day.